Hey there, CPO here, and in this video, I have another guest install and review. This time, it's my buddy Dave out in Boston. He's a wicked cool dude, and as a matter of fact, in honor of Boston, I'm wearing my Red Sox shirt. So anyway, these are Auxmart foot pegs for the Jeep Wranglers. They fit in the lower hinge mount, and I asked Dave to show us how to put them on. For those of you who have never seen this before, this isn't a complicated thing. This isn't a major install, but some of you have never considered foot pegs or don't know what's involved. So he's going to show you that, and then he's going to give us his impressions on what he thinks about them. And by the way, Dave loved the shirt. I just realized General Jeep has its own shirt. That's awesome. I don't even have an overclock shirt yet, so I got to step up my game. Anyway, guys, here is the Auxmart foot peg video, and the link to find the product will be in the description. It's really cheap. It's wicked cheap, people. Sorry, I'm over-wickeding things because of Boston. Sorry, that was bad. Anyway, Dave, take it away.
Good afternoon. This is Dave with the General Jeep. And my good buddy CPO sent me these amazing foot pegs that he would ask me to do an install video and a review on. So today, I'm going to show you how we do that. First, you need to make sure your window's down. And we need to remove the door. That's the very first step. So, before we start, we need to disconnect this wire. There's a little red tab. I always keep it down, so if it's the first time you're taking your doors off, you may need to do that. And then there's this little strap right here. Just lift the door off and place it somewhere safe. I like to go to the side of my house. So we're going to take our amazing foot peg, our 17 millimeter ratchet, and very simply we just drop it in the hole, put the nut on the bottom, and these nuts are great. They're self-locking, so they don't come loose and vibrate loose. Just give it just a little bit of pressure, just enough so they don't come loose. And then we're going to jump into our Jeep. And we're going to go for a ride and enjoy wonderful doorless weather with our brand new foot pegs. And they are amazing. So I've been driving around with these foot pegs now since Saturday, and I absolutely love them. Only have one little complaint, and it's not a huge complaint. It's a quick, easy fix. When you get them and install them properly, they sit right there. Which when you're driving, it's way far out. I don't have it tight right now, but what I did was I moved it to there and tightened it really, really tight, and that's so much more comfortable. You can also put, I'm going to see if I can find a piece of rubber just to stick in that little slot right there, just so it doesn't go back any further. Kind of just making that bumper a little bit bigger, and I think that's going to help. Thanks to my good buddy CPO for sending these to me to do an install video and a review. And this is the General Jeep. Follow it on Instagram.
Hey buddy, thanks a bunch for doing that. I really appreciate it. And for those of you watching, hope you found something of value out of this video. Like I said, not a complicated thing, but if you've been considering foot pegs, and for this price point, it's kind of hard to beat. So anyway, go check it out. Links in the description. Thanks again, Dave. Thanks you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.